There's one major thing you need to know about the market as a trader before you talk about analyzing the market. The market trend. The market follows two trends, uptrend and downtrend. Looking at this chart right here, you see that this market is in an uptrend. So let's mark it out. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So what makes up an uptrend is when the previous higher high is broken. This previous higher high was broken, this previous higher high was broken, and this previous higher high is about to be broken. But if it doesn't break this higher high and ends up doing this, breaking the previous higher low, we should expect a retest in the higher low and a move down. That means the market is going to change direction. So that's it about uptrend. Looking at this chart here, you see that there's a downtrend here. So let's mark it out. A high, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a low. Looking at this particular chart, you see that the previous lower high was not broken. What makes up a downtrend is when the lower high is not broken. If the lower high is broken, that means the market is changing direction. So looking at this, a lower high was formed and no lower high was broken. But if lower high meets the previous lower high in the same level, then we are still in a downtrend. But if it breaks above the lower high, we are no longer in a downtrend. Looking at this here, the market broke the previous lower high, which is this lower high. Now we are no longer in a downtrend. It's now a reversal. The market is now reversing. It's moving in an uptrend. Looking at this, is now in an uptrend. So that's it about trending markets. In trading, we don't trade against the trend. We trade with the trend. You just have to know how to identify your trends, if market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. See you on the next video.